Honesty is an expensive gift. Ladies and gentlemen, honesty refers to truthfulness and high moral of a person. I personally believe that every child is born with the virtue of honesty. But as the child grow up, interact with people and situation, his honesty get diluted. Yet I say, be honest, because honesty is the best policy. No matter in what profession you are, no matter what is your work, how you serve the society, the community, if you do an honest work, you will be happy. You will feel immense satisfaction within you. Yes, honesty is a key to every relationship. People start loving you, people start trusting you. People who are connected to you feel secure and come to you in any circumstances because they trust in you. Honesty is a rare gift. Preserve it. It's an individual choice whether to be honest or not. Yes, honesty brings you hardship, brings you trouble sometime, but yet in a long term, success and greatness go hand in hand with honesty. If you are honest, no one can stop you from achieving what is yours. Satyame Jayate. It means in truth lies victory. Yes. Believe in yourself. Be strong. Be honest. Do not step down from honesty, no matter how difficult situation you have to face, because victory is yours at last. Preserve honesty. Be honest. All the best.